a couple evap coils and a compressor on a bar unit. Nice little sunrise going this morning. Alright, we'll get into this thing. There's a little bar lineup right here. Need a flashlight. So, I'm going to replace some evap coils. They just turn the powder and stuff. And leakers. So I got one on this side and one on the other side we're going to change out. And then one right here. Okay, I'm going to get after it. So I ripped the old coils out. I got the new coils hanging. This stat's going bye-bye. Put the digital one in. Got my solenoid here. Which ones did I get? I got the Emersons today instead of the Sporlan. Just because the parts house has them and gives me a really good price on them, so screw it. It's just a liquid line solenoid, so the thermostat bangs this on and off to let refrigerant flow when the temperature's calling for it. That's all it does. And then these ones got some arrows for your flow. So the arrow is going up into the coil. So I'm going to install it like that. Arrow going up to my TXV. Okay, so I got it brazed in. I had my valve wrapped in a wet rag. I haven't tried any of that chemical stuff yet. You know, the paste that you put on there. I've seen people use it. I should probably try it one time, but just the old wet rag. Okay, now I got to hook up my suction line on this one. And get rocking. Okay, coils in. Stats are in. The battery's dying on the flashlight. Now I got to go to the roof and change the compressor next. See if this one's running. This one's all in and running. Solenoid thermostat. Okay, both coils are in, up and running. Ready to go to the roof. I just crushed those. It's only 8:47. It's an hour and 47 minutes. I did both the coils, solenoid valves all tied in the drains and the electrical. So now I'm going to go do the compressor on the roof. I'm freaking killing it today. Okay, this one has a hidden ladder in the wall and they put this cover over it. Then you get that off and you climb up. And then you get all your stuff up here. Yep, yep, yep. And then this one's like Bryant package in it. Ice maker. Compressor. Got some swell out there today. Dropped from yesterday. There's today's office. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. Right peeling right there. All right, then reality sets in. All right, let's do this. Goner. Okay, let me get to ripping. So that compressor there is locked up. That's your start cap, 256.5 microfarads. 243 to 292. You know, just in case if the YouTube refrigeration police are watching. You can see the discoloration on the sticker there. It had gotten hot and kind of burned itself up. It's pretty common with these little dudes. This has been an ongoing problem with Copland recently. You get your Rotolock style compressor, you'll see there's a Teflon O-ring in there. And they used to ship them with them. You get the new Rotolock valve if you need to install it. they're not shipping the gaskets with it, and it just leaves you totally boned. I think I got a couple on the truck if I get lucky. If not, I'm totally screwed to the parts house. You know. Let's see where these ones are made at. Slovakia. Yeah, Emerson. Just boning the techs again, as usual. Trying to make everyone a non-profit. Okay, there's my gripe for the day. You'll see that too when you're changing them out. Make sure you get lots of the Teflon O-rings at the parts house, different sizes, or you're gonna be boned. Okay, I'm down in the van. That's the size I need. I pulled this out of the old compressor. Let's check the size and let's see if I get lucky. And there's a couple in there. That one's too big. Let's see. That's the one right there. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Hey, Copland. Okay, I got my Rotolock gasket in. Now I can install my Rotolock fitting. And I'll be ready to nitrogenize this. Take your time and enjoy the view sometimes when you're working. It's like, they can all choke on it. Yeah. So, we'll go down and take a look at the bar unit, and then we'll wrap this one up.